Friends, today I'm going to show that how to use omegle video on computer. Friends, to use omegle video computer, friends, it's an easy process. Friends, for this, don't miss anything. Please watch the whole video, and after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, after opening internet browser, you have to write here omegle.com like this, my friends, and after that you have to press enter. Then, my friends, it will come in this interface. Then you have to click on video. Then you have to give the check mark here, my friends. After giving the check mark, click on confirm and continue. Then, my friends, you have to click on here allow. After click on allow, you will be able to use omegle video on computer. Friends, to use omegle video on computer, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.